Good morning, everyone. This is Swagat going to teach you a new chapter of science that is plant around us. In this chapter, we will study about the different parts of plants and will focus basically on the classification of plants. So, we are going to study plant around us. Here, you can see a diagram of a plant. The part of plant which is above the soil. So the part of this plant which is above the soil is visible to us is having different parts that are flowers, leaves, branches, fruits, birds and stems. And the part of a plant which is below this soil which is not visible to us is called root. Now in this chapter we are going to study about the classification of plants. So the plants are on the basis of their shapes, sizes and properties. It is basically divided into five parts. These are namely trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. So one by one we will study these five parts of the plants. Now we are going to study about trees. Trees are the big plant which has woody and strong stems. So we can say those plant which has woody and strong stems are called trees. These woody and strong stem is also called as trunk. Here you can see a figure of a big tree. This strong and woody stem is called trunk. These are the branches having fruits and leaves. There are many trees which we can see around us in our environment, like banyan trees, peepal trees, neem trees, mango tree, coconut tree, and many more. Trees live for several years and sometimes even hundreds of years. These trees have a big lifespan. They are living for more than 100 of years also. Now we are going to study the second part, the second type of a plant which is called shrubs. 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 These are the plants having woody stem but are not as strong and big as trees. So the plants which are having the woody stems but not as strong and big like a tree, these plants are called as shrubs. These plants look like bushes with many branches. These shrubs have many branches but they are small and looks like a bushes. These plants live for only a few years. They have a short lifespan. In our surrounding, we can see many shrubs around us. In our garden, we are having rose plant, cotton plant, china roses, mehendi, and many more. So these small plants which looks like bushes are called shrubs.